GFCI tripped because I had just too much power on this one strip. So let's try it again. Oh crap. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think it's better if I leave this part of the cap off. Alright, so let's try this again. Okay, I've got my video going, so...
It's mesmerizing. Cleaning a greasy mess with Dawn Platinum.
And not even scrubbing.
Fluff my feathers. It cuts through the slimy stuff better than roll.
Alright, come back in 4 days, and I'm gonna try and switch them over, but I don't know about this pump. I think it might have died. I think I might have to buy a new one. I hope not, but I mean, I guess we'll see. Don't worry, that'll come back on in a moment. But I really hope not, but yeah, we'll see. So, alright, we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, thank you for viewing my video. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you want. And until the next, so now have a blessed rest of your day or night. Alright, this was off when we woke up, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure what happened, but the vacuum pump is off. I'm probably going to trip push the little button thing on the GFCI. But I'm not sure what to do. I don't know how to run this anymore. I don't, maybe it's because it's outside. I don't know, but I guess I can't run it for. I guess you can't run it now. All right, but I've got to. I don't know. Figure out what to do. So, yeah. Thank you for coming to my video. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and you have a blessed day today. Bye.